Welcome students, this is Ankita. This is my channel The Learning Point by Ankita. Today we will learn about the pronoun. What is the pronoun, the kinds of pronoun, and I will elaborate the kinds of noun also. What the Hindi meaning of the kinds of the pronoun is also elaborate in this video. So watch this video till end. Now let's start. What is the pronoun? Pronoun words which the spelling is P-R-O-N-O-U-N. Pronoun. The word which noun is already hidden in the pronoun means the word which is used for or instead of noun. यानी ऐसे वर्ड्स ऐसे शब्द जो नाउन्स की जगह पर यूज़ होते हैं या फिर नाउन के लिए यूज़ होते हैं. द वर्ड्स which are used for or instead of noun is called pronouns. उन्हें हम क्या कहेंगे? pronoun कहेंगे. Like Ramesh is going to the market. Here Ramesh is a boy. So what we will use when we change the noun with pronoun? He is going to the market. When we are talking about the boy, we use he. When we are talking about the girl, we use she. In Hindi meaning, when we are using tum, we have to use you. And for मैं, a particular person मैं is called I. So I, he, she, it. When we use it for the non-living things or for the birds, animals, we use it. What is the non-living things? They do not grow, they do not die, they do not take food is called non-living things. Now what is the difference between they and a we, and when we used they and when we use we? When the plural noun and I is included, plural noun के साथ जब हम भी include होते हैं, then we use we. Like I and my friends, मैं और मेरे friends are going to the market. I and my friends are going to the market. It's mean my friends are going to the market, I am going to the market, I am including I am with them. So I will use we because I am included, I am also going to the market. And when I will not go, I am excluded, I will not go to the market with my friends. It's mean we have to use they only. They are going to the market. In short, now you can say that जब हम पर्सन के साथ इंक्लूड होते हैं उस काम में, तब हम क्या करते हैं? वी का यूज़ करते हैं. और जब हम इंक्लूड नहीं होते हैं, पर्सन के साथ काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, तब हम दे का यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड्स मार्केट जा रहे हैं, तो मार्केट जा रहे हैं साथ में मैं भी हूँ, तब हम क्या करेंगे? वी का यूज़ करेंगे. लेकिन मेरे फ्रेंड्स केवल मार्केट जा रहे हैं, मैं मार्केट नहीं जा रहा हूँ, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? केवल दे का यूज़ करेंगे, वी का यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. तो ये तो बात हो गई व्हेन वी यूज़ आई, व्हेन वी यूज़ ही, शी, इट, यू, दे, वी, एक्सेट्रा. These words are called pronoun. These words are called pronoun because they used for a noun और instead of a noun. ये noun के लिए यूज़ हो रहा है या फिर noun की जगह पर यूज़ हो रहा है. Now come to the various kinds of the pronoun. Pronouns are of various kinds. Here I written total 10 kinds of pronouns in Hindi and as well as in English also. So now come to the first pronoun. What is the first pronoun? Personal pronoun. Personal कहते हैं ना नॉर्मली पर्सनल मत लो, मतलब खुद पर मत लो, व्यक्तिवाचक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन पे मत जाओ. सो व्हाट इज अ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन? पर्सनल प्रोनाउन मीन्स व्यक्तिवाचक सर्वनाम, बिकॉज प्रोनाउन in Hindi is called sarvnam. So personal pronouns is in Hindi is called व्यक्तिवाचक सर्वनाम. Now what is the व्यक्तिवाचक सर्वनाम? व्यक्तिवाचक सर्वनाम कहते किसे हैं? Such pronouns which refers to a particular person is used instead of a noun is called personal pronoun. यानी ऐसे शब्द जो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के लिए यूज़ किए जा रहे हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहेंगे? पर्सनल प्रोनाउन कहेंगे. As we already learned about the I, he, she, it, you, they, we, and these pronouns are called personal pronoun. इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Personal pronoun. If I take some examples like I am going, I am learning, I am teaching pronouns, he is doing his homework. So what is I, what is he? I, he, we, they are called personal pronouns. The second one is the interrogative pronouns. What is the interrogative pronouns? Interrogative pronouns are the pronouns through which you can ask the question. Like pronouns who, what, and which not only instead of nouns but also ask questions. केवल वो नाउन्स की जगह पर यूज़ नहीं होते हैं, साथ ही साथ क्या करते हैं? क्वेश्चंस पूछने के भी काम आते हैं. Pronouns used for asking a questions are called interrogative pronoun because interrogative means to ask the question. So what is the interrogative pronoun? The pronouns which is used not only instead of a noun, not stand only for instead of a noun but also used for asking a question. Questions को पूछने के लिए भी यूज़ हो. They are called interrogative pronoun. And the examples of interrogative pronoun is who, what, which, etc. Now come to the third pronoun. What is the third kind of the pronoun is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns is अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. अनिश्चयवाचक यानी कोई भी चीज़ डेफिनेट ना हो. They are called indefinite pronoun. Why they are called indefinite pronoun? Because they do not indicate the exact object. They never indicate the exact object. कभी वो exact object को indicate नहीं करते हैं. Being or a place to which they refer, जिससे वो रिलेटेड हैं, कभी भी वो उसको exactly refer नहीं करते हैं, उसको indicate नहीं करते हैं. Because they do not indicate the exact object, being or a place to which they refer, that's why they are called indefinite pronoun. इसलिए हम उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? indefinite pronoun. Like मैंने कहा कि वहाँ पर कुछ लोग खड़े हैं. Some people. Now how many people we can't count them. उन्हें हम count नहीं कर सकते हैं. That some is called indefinite pronoun because some is indicating the person, but how much person, then not indicating the same refers to the exactly person is called indefinite pronoun क्योंकि वो exactly numbers को indicate नहीं कर रहे हैं. Now come to the fourth kind of pronouns is relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun which is used to relate the noun. Pronouns like who and which that relate or refer to a noun preceding them, जो उनके पहले आते हैं, preceding them in a sentence is called relative pronoun. Like I know that boy who is coming. Here boy is the noun. और boy के बाद कौन आया? Who. It's mean that who is called relative pronoun because that who is used for that particular boy, particular noun. So what is who? Who is a relative pronoun. Next one is a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun means अधिकारवाचक. अधिकार. Possession means होता है अधिकार. When we shows the rights or a possession to the someone is called possession. Possessive. Words which show possessions or a relationship of a person or a thing to another person or a thing, as mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs are possessive pronouns. ऐसे वर्ड जो possession शो करते हैं मीन्स अधिकार शो करते हैं या फिर रिलेशनशिप बताते हैं एक पर्सन का दूसरे पर्सन के साथ या फिर एक थिंग का दूसरी थिंग के साथ या फिर एक पर्सन का दूसरी थिंग के साथ, ऐसे वर्ड्स क्या कहलाते हैं? अधिकारवाचक सर्वनाम कहलाएंगे. अगर हम एग्जाम्पल की बात करें तो एग्जाम्पल्स क्या हो गए? माइन, आर्स, योर्स, हिज, देयर्स, etc. Now come to the sixth reflexive pronoun.